Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you send mail in Laravel. So I'll be showing you first how to do configurations of your mail. After that I'll show you how you can create a layout for your email, and after that third will be how you can send your email. So let's get started with the video. So firstly, starting with the configurations, so you can open your env file, and in that you can see mail, mailer, host, port of mail, username, password, encryption, address, and your name of mail. So all these configurations you can do in your env file. If you don't want to do it in env, then second option is in mail.php. That file you can find in config mail.php file. Config is folder in Laravel. So in mail.php you can find different type of drivers supported by Laravel. So here you can see SMTP, SES, Mailgun, all these you can use. So I'll be showing you SMTP in this video. So here you can see we are taking from env file only mail, username, password, and from also you can see from env we are taking mail from address. So now let's go to env file and let's make the changes. So mailer will be SMTP only. So host will be smtp.gmail.com. So for port depends on your encryption type. So here I'm going to use SSL. So for SSL port is 485. So if TLS you are using, then port will be 587. So after that, mail password. So mail will be your personal email, whatever you are using, and password will be here two-step verification. If you are having, then you will be going to use that two-step verification password. So now let's go and create our mail. So open terminal and there write command php artisan make mail, and after that file of your mail whichever you want to keep. So here let's say my first mail. So you can see in the left menu there is one folder created mail, and inside that we are having our file. So in this file you can see it's a class, and inside that queueable is used and serialized model is used. So because as mail can be, you can put in queue, so then envelope one function is there where subject is set, then content where your blade file will be called, and last one is attachment if you have any attachment to send with this mail. So here you can see there is no email file that is created. So if you want to create one email file also, email template, so you can just firstly I'm going to just delete this, and after that I need to run this same command with markdown option. So here let's say write php artisan, let me show you help first. So here write php artisan help make mail. So here you can see markdown option you can use. So let's write command. So here write php artisan make mail, my first mail, and after that write -m, and here define your folder or file which you want to create for your template, email template. So here I have written, let's say emails dot first mail. So this will create email folder, and inside that my template file, that is template, email template. So now let's open my first mail. So here you can see now in content it's taking that markdown that we have mentioned, emails dot first mail. And let's go to view. So here in view you can see email folder is created, and inside that first mail.blade.php is there, and it's having some mail format as well. So now let's use this. So in web.php you can see base URL is going to contact controller and index function. So here let's create instance of this. So write return new my first mail, and also you need to import that. So now let's go and check in browser. So here you can see introduction is there, or body part of your, so that's the template that is loading here. Here you can also customize this. So let's change the template. So here let's say introduction, we can say hey thrusters. So here let's change the below text as well. I hope we are doing well. Let's change the button. So let's say YouTube link. So now let's check in browser, refresh. So here you can see hey thrusters and below text also changed. So you can also change the last one. So here app name. So if you will go to env file, here you can change app name. So let's say thrusters. So refresh. Okay, so it's not taking as we need to dump autoload. So write command composer dump autoload. So this will just generate your auto load files again. Now let's go to browser and refresh. So you can see thrusters is there. So now mail template is there. So now we need to send this mail. So for sending this mail, let's go to contact controller, and here we will be writing using mail here and to function to which email we want to send. So here I'm using knowledge trusters mail only, and after that we will be passing a send with all these configurations. So inside that we will be passing instance of my first mail. So inside send write new my first mail. So this is one basically like instance we are sending to send function. So that's the single line of code you need to write for sending your mail. So now let's go and refresh. So here it says error code. Okay, I forgot to add my credentials. So here I'll be adding credentials, my username and password, that is two-step verification. So that I'll not be showing you. You can add whichever you are having. So now let's refresh, and now you can see success. So let's go to mail. We have received mail. Let's open it. So here you can see hey thrusters and like template is there in mail. So you can also customize your mail template using basic HTML. So let me just change to a basic HTML. So here write title, let's say my first mail, and that will be in head. So after that, let's say write body, and inside body, let's say one heading I'm giving. So in heading, let's say welcome to KT, and one paragraph. In paragraph, let's say amazing video tutorial. So now let's again send, refresh. Now let's go to mail, and here just click. So here you can see welcome to KT amazing video tutorial. So that template is coming. So that's how you can send mail in Laravel. That's the simplest video I have shown you. I hope you like this video. In my next video I'll show you how you can send attachment and customize your mail template. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.